Your brain wasn't always like this, but over time, constant scrolling porn and endless stimulation rewired it. Now, even the smallest thing can trigger sexual thoughts you never asked for. You feel it, and you hate it, because this isn't the real you. It's just a brain chasing dopamine. A sexualized brain kills your focus, drains your energy, and even makes real attraction harder. It leaves you restless, distracted, and never satisfied. But here's the good news. If your brain was wired into this, it can be rewired out. That's what desexualization is all about. Step 1. Cut the triggers. If you keep feeding lust through porn, social media, or subtle content, your brain can't heal. Block it, unfollow it, delete it. Protect your mental diet. Step 2. Rebuild attention. Just a few minutes daily. Sit still, breathe, and bring your mind back whenever it wanders. This simple habit restores self-control. Step 3. Replace the reward. Your brain craves stimulation, so give it something better. Fitness learning, building your future or real human connection. Train it to desire growth instead of cheap dopamine. Do this consistently and you'll feel it. The fog lifting, the urges losing power. And for the first time in a long time, you'll be in control of your own mind. That's how you actually desexualize your brain.